Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. I'll introduce an Adidas Court Stabil 5 item in the MovinsEdition series. Wide 3-take design and durable levers ensure optimum stability. Court Stabil in all movements. Tough prevents abrasions of the fingers. It's a new product owned only by MovinsEdition, and it's Adidas Court Stabil 5 indoor shoes product with Adidas unique technology such as non-marking and Adiprene. Adiprene cushioning enhances comfort. EVA insert increases comfort. A new product that is difficult to find as it is optimized for indoor sports that can be enjoyed regardless of weather such as fine dust. Adidas technology, such as non-marking and Adiprene, is applied to provide an optimal performance for indoor sports. Adidas Court Stabil 5 with Adidas unique technology, including non-marking and Adiprene. Extended torsion system improves efficiency and performance. It's a system that minimizes the impact on the knee, so it has a torsion system function. Staining sole surface. It was a new product owned by MovinsEdition, and it was Adidas Court Stabil with its own technology, including non-marking and Adiprene. I recommend Adidas Court Stabil 5 as a new product that is hard to get. Bye.